climate control system. The automatic climate control system has been redesigned to make it much easier to use. To set one temperature for the vehicle, first turn the ignition on. Then, press the Auto button. The climate control system will start up and automatically adjust the fan speed, vent selection, and air source, outside or recirculate, to help reach and maintain the temperature currently set. Raise or lower the temperature by turning the same auto knob. To set a different temperature for the front seat passenger, turn the dual knob. To return to one temperature for the vehicle, press the dual button. The buttons underneath the display allow you to turn the entire system off, defrost the front windshield, defrost the rear window and heated side mirrors, raise or lower the fan speed manually, change the mode or combination of vents being used, switch between outside and recirculated air, and turn the air conditioning compressor off, should you prefer ambient air for cooling.